Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, you have to tell them, my love.
I gotta tell them.
Because you cook it.
Me cook it. Oh, that's all I gotta tell ya. You see? I was trying to go fast already. Alright, but here what we got today on the menu. We got some RFC / Barbie fried chicken. So you know, it's the Richie fried chicken, but also marinated in barbecue sauce. Right? Oh, that's what you wanted to do.
That's how it feels.
That's how it feels? Okay, I like it. Alright?
So
keep it, First Lady. So, then we got some baked macaroni and cheese with a little sprinkle of shrimp inside of there, you know? I didn't have a lot of shrimp, so I had to just throw what I got. So, I just had to use what I got. But
you gotta use what you got and get what you want.
Well, exactly. Then we got some plantains herb, you know?
Now I know family, I know you guys are saying Barbie fried chicken and macaroni and cheese and then plantain.
Yeah.
It doesn't go. It doesn't matter.
Huh?
We do whatever we want.
It goes here.
It goes here. I feel like plantains and we just said plantains you shall have.
Whatever we got, whatever First Lady said, we gonna do.
Oh, you know what guys? Go check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like First Lady outfit today because I love it. You just like it. Okay? But look at this. Don't drop. And I'm cooling my food today. First Lady, put your hand up there. Look at that.
My, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Put your hand up there, girl. Let me see that. That looks just nice. That chicken is still crunchy, huh? And we do have a video how this is made, so if you're interested, y'all can check it out. Yes, I said Barbie fried chicken.
Let me just smash
We do
that
chicken
down.
right.
Look at the macro. You hear that noise?
You know what, First Lady?
You hear that?
Could I borrow your hand one more time? Ready? Put it up there.
Look at that, guys.
Look at that. Come back here.
It's so crispy, but juicy.
I gave you a whole chicken by yourself just now. I gave you a whole thigh.
Ooh!
First Lady got her legs. Wow. Soft, right?
It is so good.
Juicy too. Drinking some mango punch, you know how it is already. Cheap and clean, you know. This was good. This was a good choice. First Lady had a long day of work, you know. I had to prepare the meal for First Lady.
Look at the shrimp in there.
You find shrimp down here?
Yeah, a lot of shrimp.
I know, you got a lot of shrimp here. Yeah. Look at this. Skin.
We hope you guys enjoyed part 1 and part 2 of our love story. And always remember, no relationship, no marriage is perfect. Richie and I
think they know that.
we've had our shares of ups and downs, but we've had more ups than we've had downs.
They know that.
And the fact that we're still here together means that we'd rather have downs together than a lot of ups apart.
That's right. Well said. Word of the wisdom by Shanice. Let me touch some of the grapes there, please.
Grace? Oh, hey, I gotta buy your new one. It almost finished.
Grace, I'm gonna stop using Grace because Grace now see me again. See? It's done. Family, see?
Oh,
see?
my.
It's done. All done. So now, gotta try a different story now. The Grace chapter is done.
For now.
For now. Because you know why, First Lady? They don't see us yet. You know what I'm saying? It's always like that, you know?
When they do see us, it's gonna be too late.
You're too late. Bye, Felicia. How it taste?
Delicious.
Good. You're right, enjoy.
My favorite part is the crunchiness of the chicken. It's Barbie fried, but it still has a crunchiness to it.
Yep.
I feel like I always say that.
You do. This ain't Barbie fried,
I
but
do.
yeah.
Every time you only use one hand, it makes me laugh. Honey, you know, so you can't use two. I don't know.
One of them. One of them. Chicken, nice one. Fried perfect. Seasoned perfect.
Yes. Ooh.
Yep. I'm chewing on my bones. Hold up. I do that too. Where all my boom. Where all my bone chewers? Where all my bone chewers in the way at? Calm it down.
Sometimes you be saying some crazy things.
Wait, man, move fast. What you thought I said?
No. My last.
Family, we got a surprise for y'all later. Right? But we gonna eat first. You know what I'm saying?
We had a surprise and we're gonna share with you guys.
We're gonna share, yeah, exactly. We got a surprise that we're gonna share with y'all guys. So, we're gonna eat a little bit. And P.O Box now is in every video. So go check it out. Overnight those food if you want me to eat it. Just freeze it and send it. You know what I'm saying? We down to try anything. When I eat the pork, give the First Lady.
If you guys want to send us stuff, be our guest. We're very appreciative of it, no matter what it is.
Yep. You know what I'm saying?
And if you guys, I was gonna say, if you guys want to send us something, that's right.
Come on.
Because anything, we appreciate it.
We sure do.
So,
And if you're not following us on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Follow us. You know what I'm saying? Any topics, anything, let us know. Good, huh? And those two. And it's crunchy too.
it is delicious. The last time Richie made this, he made it with mashed potatoes.
All right, wait. Comment down.
Stop doing that.
When I made this, what chicken did I use? Let's see. What chicken did I use to make this? What we eating right here?
Every time I lick off my finger, I touch a chicken again. So it just defeats the purpose of licking my finger.
And I got my special sauce on this. Later on in the future.
This is really good.
It's good, right?
It's really good. And Richie does his own thing when he's making macaroni and cheese. He does his own thing. So,
Sure do.
No, man.
Well, sure do. Oh, give him a spin. You got the right one, first lady. Uh-huh. Probably I ain't a Tom. Right, first lady?
Yes. How your hands so clean?
Look at my finger.
Oh.
This is good. This is a good meal. So flaky, but moist still. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it to be dry in there.
Yeah. I love the little bits of shrimps.
Yep, the shrimp is in there. It's in here. Okay.
Every time I look at the plantain, I'm like, we should have some broccoli. But the plantain, I was calling my name. I was like, I gotta have plantain. I don't care what I'm eating today.
We got plantain. We gotta use them, girl.
Yeah.
So how was your day? How was your week so far? You okay? What you mean not that too good? It was okay. That's the first time y'all said that. First time they said that, no?
Yeah.
It's okay. You know what I mean? Hold on.
Listen.
You know what I mean? Every day ain't gonna be perfect.
Don't let people get to you.
Yeah, exactly. Don't let them get to you for real.
People can steal your energy.
Yeah, don't let them do that. Don't let them steal your energy. Don't let them get to you.
Energy is very important.
That's right. But I'm sorry to hear that though.
Me too.
That's the first time, you know what I mean? First time in a while we asked and they said that. But appreciate us telling us, but I mean, take it one day at a time. You know what I'm saying?
Tomorrow will be a better day.
It'll be a better day. Just take it one day at a time.
Every day will get easier and easier and easier.
Yeah.
Just remember that.
True.
Just remember that.
Yes, and stop trying to be perfect.
That's true.
Probably that's the reason. You know what I'm saying? When you try to be perfect and it don't happen, you get frustrated, you know? I go through that a lot. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's the next story time, you know? But you gotta just overcome it, you know? You have to learn how to deal with everybody. Everybody mood swing. Everybody have a different mood swing, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta know how to deal with them. No?
Yep, whether it's at work.
Yes, exactly.
You know, your husband, your wife, your kids. Yeah. Whatever it is, just, you know, think about it.
Yep.
Sit down and just have take 10 minutes to yourself.
Yes, that's it.
And just sit in the room and just think about it.
Think about it.
You know?
Yeah.
What could you have done differently? Yes. What could they have done differently? Yeah?
Before we reach that stage, you know?
Yeah.
But, as the first lady said, tomorrow will be a better day.
Yeah.
You know why it's going to be a better day? Oh, I did be a little bit. Oh, you know why it's going to be a better day? Because you're alive. You know? Forget what's going on in this world today. You're alive, that's the main thing. The true first lady. Yo, you have the plan them fast too, my youth. Nah, lie. Oh. I almost forgot. Word of wisdom.
Ooh, the perfect time.
Perfect time. Perfect time.
Don't forget, if you guys are still watching the video, we have a surprise.
We have a surprise, so don't go nowhere. Okay. Word of wisdom. Ready, first lady? This is going to be a good one too. Some people are born to give more love than they will ever get back in return. Think about that one now. Okay? Again, some people are born to give back more love than they will ever get back in return.
AKA Pisces people.
Okay.
It's me.
If that could relate with y'all, comment down. I want to know. First lady want to know too. You know what I'm saying? Don't be shy. You know what I'm saying? But that's a true word right here. Yep.
I think everyone.
You know
can
anybody
relate.
like that?
Me.
Okay. Nobody else too? Okay.
Everyone can relate.
Everyone can relate.
You know, you give and you give and you give. And people don't give the same.
They don't get the same.
And you know that saying,
Yeah.
treat people the way you want to be treated.
Yes.
I don't like that saying. I'm gonna tell you why.
Tell me.
Because I feel like you treat people the way you've been treated, you want to be treated, and they don't return it, they don't reciprocate it, and then you get upset. So if I'm treating you the way I want to be treated, that's what they say, right?
Yeah.
I'm kind to you. If you need me, I'm there for you. I'm a shoulder for you to cry on. You can talk to me about anything. I'm a ride or die. If you ask me for help, I'm gonna help you.
Yeah.
I'm doing these things, and I don't want people to say, oh, but then you're not doing it from the kindness of your heart. But if the saying, treat people the way you want to be treated, is actually true, then technically I'm doing what the saying says, which is treat people how you want to be treated.
True.
And if I'm treating you this way, and I call you and ask you to help me, you tell me no, or I call you to cry to you on the phone about whatever I'm going through and you don't have time for me, then you're really not treating me like how I want to be treated. I'm treating you like how I want to be treated, and you're treating me
the way you want.
the way how you feel like you want to treat me.
So it's not equal.
So, yeah, so it's not equal. So I never liked that saying. So I'm going to do for you what I want to do for you. And just in my mind, I'm not going to expect anything in return either. But then, that's why I have a wall up. I don't help too much. Like, I don't get, because if I'm your friend or
preach it,
my
first lady.
family
That's
member,
right.
I'm there for you, you know? And then...
That's why I read that quote. Keep talking, first lady.
I'm there for you. And then, if I'm asking you for help and I'm not getting it back, I don't get upset. I just, mental note. In my mind, I go,
you won't do that again.
Check. I just won't do that for you anymore. You know? You ask me to pick up your daughter from school, and I pick her up all the time. And then if I ask you to pick up my son from school, and it's always a problem, then I just won't pick up your daughter anymore.
Or you could be picking up their daughter, or whatever, and that one time you say you can't do it.
It's a problem. Issue. So then I just won't pick up your daughter anymore. So that's how you have to live life. Well, I don't want to tell you what to do, but that's how I live life. I just keep mental notes. If I do something and I'm not getting the same in return, I don't get upset. I'm not going to say I'm not your friend anymore. I just keep a mental note, and the next time you ask me, I'm just going to say no.
That's it.
You know, as you get older, you'll realize that things will piss you off less and less. And I remember my dad telling me that, and I used to be like, whatever, you old. But he's right. The older you get, the less things bother you.
That's true.
If you have evolved.
Yeah.
If you have not evolved, it's going to take longer. But for me, things that bothered me when I was 20 does not bother me now.
For real.
So.
That's right.
That's a little preach.
Yes, good job, first lady. Well said.
Hey, family. So we cleared the table because we finished eating. The food was delicious. It was phenomenal. But we...
Extravaganza.
Yeah. We've got mail.
We got mail.
We got mail.
Uh-oh.
We got mail.
We feel like somebody now. We got mail.
We got mail.
Uh-oh.
We got mail.
We feel like a YouTuber. Oh, how you feel, first lady?
I feel good.
Oh, my gosh.
It's always good to get a gift.
Yes. That means somebody recognizes us.
So, we got a gift from Like Mother, Like Daughter.
Eats.
Thank you so much, Cece. Thank you.
Thank you, Cece.
And remember, if you want to be a part of the club, our P.O. Box is below.
It's below. There's a lot of room. Make a line. Don't push. Don't push now.
So I'm very excited. I'm surprised that Cece sent this to me. I was shocked when we checked the P.O. Box. And I love watching her content.
Yes.
You guys should definitely go check it out.
Check her out. Like Mother, Like Daughter Eats. Go check her out.
She's always in our comment section.
Yes.
And
True
she
supporter.
leaves great comments.
Great comments.
Great comments.
True supporter right there too.
I
also.
really appreciate her.
We appreciate you.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
What we got there? Wait. What we got over there?
It's a plethora of stuff.
Oh no, don't do that to us, girl.
It's a plethora.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute, that's women's or man? That's for me? Cece, is this all for me? Let me know.
Oh, look at that. Oh, I think.
Okay. One at a time.
Now, I'm not sure.
Oh, that's so nice.
Got a lot of stuff.
Damn, we got
I think some of these stuff is for the kids, honey.
Wow. Not only for us, but for the kids too. That's so sweet. That's very sweet of you.
Wow,
We
look at
appreciate
that, guys. Look at that.
Wow.
I think this is for Tamia. I think this is for Tamia. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Ooh.
That's nice.
Look at that. You want to see it, maybe?
This might be for Sasha.
TGC.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
And the letter, you gotta read that first, lady.
I don't know if she wants us to read it on camera.
Let's see. Let's do it. Oh, Cece, you're right. Nice.
First lady bag, Richie bag, Vincent bag, and Tamia bag.
And she knows the name.
Yeah, she spells it very good. Of course she knows the name. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Look at that, guys. Oh, I know. No.
Okay,
this
explain
is
it to me.
Okay, now I know. This is Tamia's bag. You know why I know?
Yeah.
The headband.
Oh.
Okay? It's a headband in there.
Okay.
And she knows Tamia loves headbands.
Okay.
And a perfume.
That's nice.
Okay? I love how she did it individually.
That's there.
Okay? What do you think who think that one is for?
That's me. I got the Uncle Ralph in the building. The Ralph Lauren. Cece got me the Uncle Ralph, baby.
And
appreciate that.
Yes. I know this one is for Vincent.
That's nice.
And I think I have an idea what it is.
Okay.
But she says here that she wants them to open it themselves.
Okay.
And I believe this one is mine. And the reason why I think so is because I'm always saying that I'm cold.
Oh, wow.
So she got me socks. Very thoughtful.
Wow, that's so sweet. That's nice.
Oh, and then look at that.
First lady, one thing.
Look at that.
You know one thing, First Lady?
That was so thoughtful.
That is.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
That is very nice. She listened.
She listened. And we may not know her, but we could tell.
Yeah, she put a lot of thought into it.
She's very genuine.
Wow.
Yes, you are. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. See, look, in the comment, the letter is like the comments. Wow.
Okay, we're gonna read this because this is for us, so we're gonna read this. We're gonna keep this one to ourselves, but it's a very sweet letter. I've only read like 3 lines, and it's very sweet. So we really appreciate you, Cece.
We appreciate you, Cece, and go check her out. Like Mother, Like Daughter Eats, and tell Tamila thank you too. All right?
Oh yes, my baby. Look at that.
Don't forget to like. We shared a lot with you. We shared our information with you. You know what I'm saying? But we had to do it. We had to bring it to y'all. You feel me?
Sounds good.
Subscribe, comment, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.